Ang sarap ng feeling na makuha mo yung goal mo sa oras mo. Sabi ko, gusto ko itong tapusin bago mag-start yung mastermind namin. Kasi today is our last day sa cohort. Pero may next na naman na cohort in April kung gusto mong sumali, or in May. And I love to do this on weekends. Wala naman kami pinupuntahan pag weekend. I just love to rest at home and we don't travel a lot. And sabi ko this morning, mag-fast ako for 18 hours. Nag-fast ako kahapon 17. So this morning, hopefully, I could make it to 18 and maybe I could make it to 20. Ang sarap kasi sa pakiramdam sa tiyan mo na umaga na hindi nag-bloat ang tiyan mo. Yeah, I hope you're having a good day. Gumawa ako ng strawberry pretzel salad for our friend's retirement party mamaya ng hapon. And daming activities today, but we are strong by God's grace. Have a nice day!